Hello, drone enthusiasts. Welcome to insideFPV. If you have damaged propellers and want to set new ones in the aircraft, we have got you covered. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of setting up and replacing propellers on our latest drone, BIR V2. Let's get started. First things first, let's take a look at the propellers that come with the BIR V2. There are 4 different propellers, each labeled with either an A or B. 2 propellers of set A, which start clockwise, and 2 of set B, which start counterclockwise. Make sure to check the names under each propeller for easy identification. Let's dive into the installation process. Take one propeller from the A set and attach it to the motor shaft. Then, attach another propeller from the same set diagonally across the first one. Make sure both propellers are securely attached to the motor shaft and fitted in place. Repeat the process for the other B set propeller on the other motors. It's crucial to ensure that the diagonal propellers are of the same set. Great job! You've installed all 4 propellers on your BIR V2. Before taking off, double-check to make sure each propeller is securely attached. Now, your drone is ready to take flight. Fly safely. Happy flying!